Oh, what we're doing here is with this particular dog, I'm doing the clicker, treat. We're just free shaping behaviors. So I'm just starting to teach this dog how to learn. So I'm letting her, like there. We just started this yesterday with her, with the mat. So I have not explained to her what this is. I haven't told her to go there. I haven't done anything except for let her explore. She gets on it. Now she's figured out that she can get a treat when she goes on it, or down sometimes too, when she goes on it. But I'm not giving her any words, any cues, no downs, no to your bed. I'm letting her gamble. Now a little bit, and then she runs back to her mouth. So all by herself. So she figures out, how am I going to get the reward? Now sometimes if I want something else, I don't click her for that. But right now, because I'm just starting this, I'm going to click her when she does it. Down. So I did do a little intro with down with her already the last few days. So she's getting the grasp of what down is. Down. Right. So tell her what it is, and on her mat, and then sometimes she'll pair them together, and then I decide whether I want that or not, whether I care if she downs on the mat or not. I'll try it off the mat. Down. All right, so she's going to keep going back to the mat because that's where I've been enforcing this, reinforcing it. Come here, baby. Down. Come here. Come here. Down. Down. All right, so she's going to keep doing that because I've heavily enforced this right now. Down. See? And this is what happens when you really, really reinforce something a lot. So if I tell her down on here, down. See, on the mat, she's gonna do it because I've been really loading her up with the mat with rewards. So previously, yesterday, she was doing it without the mat and downing and sitting, but now the mat's her jackpot. That's what she thinks. Mat, down, mat, down, mat, down. Good. Come. Mat. Down. Come. Mat. Down.